Hey guys, Dr. Epper Jr. here, and in this video, I'm here with Mad Chronicles.
Wait, what's up?
Okay, and so in this video, we're going to be drawing Pokemon based off of two real-life animals. So let's do this. We're going to start off with our first animal, and 3, 2, 1, llama.
Bearded dragon.
Oh yes, okay then. It's gonna look like a dinosaur. Because why not?
This is gonna be really weird.
It doesn't look like a llama at all right now. This looks like if Heliolisk was a dinosaur drawn by a 10-year-old. What colors are our llama? I unintentionally picked all the same colors as a Heliolisk. Animal number 2. So, in 3, 2, 1, hippo.
Starfish.
Oh my gosh.
That legit is the worst combo ever.
It's gonna be a Slay King. But with a hippo face.
Why? Just to make sure I know what a hippo is.
What if I draw the hippo purple? I have no idea what this is right now. It now has incredible appeal. Like, everyone will be falling in love with this Pokemon. Okay, next animal in 3, 2, 1, blobfish.
Snake.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This hurts. It hurts. The Loch Ness Monster is no more. Fear the reign of the blobfish.
Time to do the details.
What? It's a blobfish. You can have details. I think that's it. If you want to see more collabs with him, then hit the like button. So these are the 3 drawings that I made over the course of the video. I hope you had fun watching this video. It was so fun to make them. I really think they look pretty good. And, you know, that's all you can really hope for. It was so fun to do it with my friends, so please check out his channel. If you want to see any more collabs with him, or collabs in general, please hit the like button. And that's it. So that was the video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please check out Mad Chronicles. He will be linked in the description down below, so check out his video. Also, check out my other channel. This was Dr. Epper Jr. signing off.